mokili mibale na mibale soki bino boyokani ye ata libala ya makango ndenge moko na ya makwela na mokili mibale na mibale soki bino
hello and welcome to this video. My name is Mwalimu Chris Kea, and this is the kind of content that I do. I translate popular Lingala or Rumba songs into English so that those of you who are in love with this kind of music can get to know exactly what it is that the artist was singing, or the message that was being passed across. Now what I'm doing is a 1969 hit that was done by OK Jazz, and it was actually composed by Manuel Oliveira. So it's actually done by Oliveira. That is the song's composer. But of course, yes. The song is called Mokili, Mibale na mibale. Mokili, Mibale na mibale. Or mibale means two. So the title would mean that this world is better off when somebody has somebody they love, when you have a pair, when you have couples. Namokili, mibale na mibale, that this world is better with couples, with people, having the people they love. And so I want to tell you exactly what it is that is sung throughout the song. Franco Lambolanzo Mokili. Namokili mibale na mibale. In this world, we need to have people in twos, in pairs.
Soki bino boyokani.
Soki bino boyokani. If you understand one another, if you are in agreement.
Atalibala ya makango ndenge moko na ya makwela.
Atalibala ya makango ndenge moko na ya likwela. And in the marriage, whether it is whether you are married to a concubine, whether it is a concubineship, or whether it is actually a formal marriage, the most important thing is that you need to be in agreement. You need to have an understanding, a working relationship.
Namokili mibale na mibale soki bino boyokani.
Namokili mibale na mibale soki bino boyokani. The most important thing is, do you understand one another? Are you in agreement? Are you in tandem? That is the most important thing.
Atalibala ya makango ndenge moko na ya makwela.
Atalibala ya makango, even if you are married to a concubine, ndenge moko na ya makwela, or if you are formally married, as long as you guys you understand one another, that is what is very important. Makango atalibala nyoso ndenzela moko. Whether it is concubineship or formal marriage, they're all the same. They're all, they're the same actually.
Namokili mibale na mibale soki bino boyokani.
Namokili mibale na mibale soki bino boyokani. If you are in agreement, if it's working out, if you're okay with one another,
atalibala ya makango,
atalibala ya makango, whether you are a concubine,
ndenge mokona ya makwela,
ndenge mokona ya makwela, or if it's actually a formal marriage that you are known to everyone know. With the concubineship is that you are keeping the person under wraps, that it is just between the two of you that know. But makwela means that it is out there, everybody knows that you're married to so and so.
Na mokili mibale na mibale, soki bino boyokanie, atalibala ya makango, ndenge mokona ya makwela. Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali mama.
Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali. At the respect of a woman, the respect of a woman is when she has a man, is when she is married, when she has a husband.
Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali mama.
Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali, it's a man really that makes a woman to be respectable.
Attention ma.
Yo, attention. So pay attention to this. Beware, really, that lokumu ya mwasi nde mobali. That if the respect of a woman is when she has a man. And you also hear so many songs that say lokumu ya mwasi ezalaga lokola lindanda naloba nini lindanda te naloba linzanza na langi is the same way. If you have a metallic item, if you paint it, then they really rhyme. It's the same thing.
Yo attention mama. Lokumu mobali mpona mosaleta.
Lokumu ya mobali mpona mosala tata. And the respect of a man comes from working. A man has to work. A man has to sweat to break a sweat. A man has to go out there and work. That's when you are respectable.
Lokumu mobali mpona mosaleta. Yeah. Attention ta. Yeah. Attention ta.
So I pay attention to this again as well, that for a man, you are respected if and when you work. Seven. And this is 1969, you can imagine. Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali. The respect of a woman comes when she has a man, when she's married, when there's somebody she can call her husband or molongani or my partner.
Lokumu ya mwasi mpona mobali. Yo. Attention ma.
Attention. So pay attention to this.
Attention ma.
Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly, I ask you kindly, hit that subscribe button so that you can get more of such content. Thank you very much for watching.